In a world where seasons shift and storms brew, one thing remains constant: enduring partnerships. Welcome to Citizen Raingears, where our umbrellas stand as steadfast guardians. Our journey began in 1882, as a humble rain gear trading company. With a legacy steeped in tradition and a relentless pursuit of innovation, we now embark on a new chapter, crafting exquisite garden umbrellas spanning across 2 acres in the states of Gujarat and West Bengal. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing units stand as a testament to our commitment to excellence. Our manufacturing process commences with the careful creation of ribs and tubes, ensuring unparalleled precision and durability. Wires of varying dimensions are meticulously straightened and cut, forming without-coated ribs through riveting. Tubes, crafted from CRCA strips, are tailored to perfection for the Garden Umbrella Gray upper tube and Garden Umbrella Gray lower tube, guaranteeing structural integrity. Following a thorough cleaning, they're coated with durable powder for enduring longevity. Skilled artisans meticulously assemble the frame, adding metal and plastic components with precision. Finally, panels are expertly stitched, adorned with pipings and pearls, and delicately attached to the frame, culminating in the creation of the exquisite outdoor umbrella, poised to grace spaces worldwide. Our umbrellas are meticulously crafted for durability and functionality, boasting exceptional wind resistance and advanced UV protection. With easy assembly and user-friendly features, they offer unparalleled convenience. Our umbrellas not only shield from rain and shine, but also symbolize the resilience of relationships built to withstand the test of time. As we stand on the cusp of a new era, Citizen Raingears is poised to lead the global market. Our commitment to innovation and excellence drives us forward, pushing boundaries and redefining outdoor spaces with each passing day.